The fear of public speaking is the most common phobia ahead of death. Speak in public? I would rather die. Calm down now because I will provide the best and proven advices, including from the TED Talk, on how you are able to overcome a shaky voice. Let's go into it. The first suggestion from every TED Talk speakers before they went on the stage is to speak through your diaphragm. Your diaphragm is your power, i.e. the stomach. And when I was at the temple, the monks also advised me to speak through the belly and not from your lungs or from your throat, even worse, because you will come off as squeaky and nervous. But when you measure a natural voice and a pleasant voice, it constitutes of two things: your natural pitch and your resonance. And in fact, when I was first starting to speak from my diaphragm, a lot of my friends told me that I didn't sound natural and advised me to go on a higher pitch. And in fact, this is the problem for natural pitch, because if you would like to have a pleasant voice, then before you open up your mouth and give a speech, then you must keep in mind that you are conversating with someone in front of you and just having a normal talk. So it is important to speak from your diaphragm. The second advice is to repeat positive phrases in your mind. Now, when you are nervous and shaking at the stage and you just felt the tension, you must repeat to your mind, I can, I will, I must. The positive phrases itself transcends your body gesture, overall voice quality, and everything that you show to the audience. And so, let me paint you a picture. Imagine you are standing in front of a mirror and every day you say, oh, I'm depressed, I'm so unlucky. Then, eventually, you become the person that you talk to in the mirror. So pay attention to every words that you say to yourself. The third suggestion is to rehearse. Now there's a saying that the best luck comes to those who's best prepared. Now I would like to suggest what you should do at the presentation, because at the first 2 minutes you were at the most nervous and your audience knows it too. So at the introduction, in the first 2 minutes, script every sentences that you would like to create and repeat it, rehearse it until you can unconsciously say it. And at the body part, the core content of the speech, you just have to make bullet points and key points, no need to script it. And the normal measurements on how frequent you need to practice your rehearsal is to do it 1 time in a normal talk and 3 times when giving a formal speech and presentation. Eventually, you will fail your way to success. Your first few years are going to suck. But remember, when you fall, don't get up empty-handed. That's the message for today. If you have any questions or requests for tomorrow's content, write it down below. Thank you and goodbye.